Hey everyone, welcome back to Howstuffinmycarworks. This is Jade, and in my previous video I talked about the ASE test system for T7. And so today I'm going to be using the manifold gauge, which relates to working onto the A system. And so I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect it to your vehicle. And as you know, our Beetle is the guinea pig throughout all our videos, but it's definitely helping us in many ways. So when you're connecting it, the blue is going to be the low pressure and the red is going to be the high pressure. So take that in consideration when we show it hands-on right here. Before we connect to the hoses, make sure the valves are closed, just like any hose or faucet. So they close clockwise. So the next step is to make sure you know where your low and high pressure ports are in your car. So we're going to find them right now. So the low pressure is going to be actually smaller in diameter, and in this car it's going to be right here. So I'm going to be taking it off. And then the high pressure is going to be all the way back here. And I'm going to show you the difference with the diameter that I just had mentioned with them. So this was the low and this was the high pressured one. So just to remind you again, it's really important to remember that up here it's going to be closed to the right clockwise, but going down here they're going to be much different, which is going to be counterclockwise to make them closed. So next we're going to be connecting the low pressure to the low port. So to connect it, we're going to be pulling up and connecting it, and then you let go, and then it's secured. So for the high one, repeat the same steps. And now they're both connected. So now that they're connected, we're going to be opening the valves all the way clockwise. Right. So make sure there's a cap on this, and as you can see it has moved. So on the static pressure, we want to make sure they're at the same level. So if you want to add refrigerant, we're going to be needing a middle hose, and we're going to be taking off the cap in the middle and connecting it. And at the other end, if you use a can that has an adapter, that's where it goes. So when you're going to be using a new can, when it's attached to the hose, you can turn it clockwise to puncture it. But when you're ready, we're not going to be touching the high, but we're going to be turning the low counterclockwise. But before you can start it, we're going to have to start your car and make sure the air conditioner is on. In this video, we won't be demonstrating that. We're just explaining it to you today. So my demonstration today was just basically to connect the gauge. But later on, moving forward, we'll be having more videos on the AC system. So stay tuned for more videos. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!